At Andrew's house? Crash! Crash! Yeah. Smash my light in my house. Fucking crazy asshole.
That's true.
This is your sitting room?
Yeah, a little sitting room, conversation room.
Well, I guess we'll have a conversation in here.
Probably. Seinfeld and Kramer's apartment.
That's pretty sweet. Who's on the cow?
I found that in the trash.
That's a good dumpster dive.
Right?
Oh, look at this one.
Yeah, that's a throwback.
Play some original music. No. I want to hear it.
You update GarageBand? Because you can make a fucking full dubstep song in literally like 10 seconds. Dude, I'll show you. It's like so easy to make your own dubstep.
Alright, what's the name of the program?
It's GarageBand. They made a sample pack, and all you do is move it around and hit it and play with the effects, and you make this.
What did you call this?
I called it first time I ever tried GarageBand's dubstep thing.
Plants.
They freak you out when the dog bark at you?
No. I live with Crash.
His tail, he said he likes it. Yeah, like tell me this isn't better music for your YouTube videos. Like you can just do this right before you start editing, or if you need a break from editing. That towers over all the other buildings is gonna have a friend now, and it's residential too.
Oh, they're building another residential tower taller than the Austonian?
Yes, and it'll have a whole floor that's an indoor dog park. Have you ever turned on PBS or seen like bands playing live on a black stage and the back has a skyline?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Austin City Limits. So yeah,
that's badass.
It's fun, man. It's an intimate way to see. The old ones were better because it was done at the UT students' stage for learning. So it was this tiny, shitty stage and a tiny bunch of, some of them were even folding chairs, and you saw like amazing bands play. Yeah, that was like the only BMW Mon car I heard this one.
This is a...
Yeah. That's the only BMW Bond car. How much would that suck if you spent $250 grand on a car to be different, and then you show up to your hotel and someone else got the exact same car? I'm gonna quit my job and become an Uber driver. Yeah. Yep. One night I was walking along, it was dark, and it's not very well lit here, and I looked up and I was like, fuck. Oh, what do I do? Yeah, I was like, ah.
Get off of there!
Don't fall. What are you kids doing?
That's the place we went to last night,
yeah,
Frank's.
Frank. I know, I call it Frank still. People correct me, I'm like, I can't not do it Frank. They have a race already. Why is he an asshole? It's a walk sign. I hate all these fucking tourists that don't understand. And there's a cop right there not fucking telling anybody. Letting his dog bark in my face.
It's because you smell like reefer.
That's the one with the weird back room. I felt like pushing those fuckers off. I wanted to say faggots, but that's bad. But they were assholes. It's not because they were gay, it's because they were being faggots. Like Louis C.K., what does he say? Quit being a faggot and suck that dick.
Dude, what the fuck are you doing? You're dumb. You're like so dumb.
Riverside or?
No, I was just staying in the middle lane as far as I could.
He does that. He waits till the last minute to turn. It drives me insane because I'm fucking neurotic and crazy. Andrew, chill the F out. You're in the back seat.
Driving.
I'm hungry. Because no one drives like an asshole after watching fucking car race.
Everyone was driving fucking crazy.
Everyone thought they were a race car driver. Yeah, man.
Yeah, Fit was out there, and it was getting lapped. Like, I'm pretty sure it was lapped like 6 times. It was just so far behind everybody, it was completely stopped.
That poor Honda team.
I almost feel like it was like, I don't know, someone dying of cancer that got to race in it or something.
Why would you not put your NSX in there?
If you were dying of cancer, don't you think you would pick a better car than a Honda Fit?
That's a good point, man. This shirt looks like it fits you really well. Having said that, yeah, I think it's kind of ugly. Like, you know? Like, that's fixed. That makes it okay for me to tell you it's ugly.
That doesn't make it okay.
Kukasa. Kukasa. Fucking
I'm
feet
back into
alone.
that spot, dude. We're gonna walk.
I bet you pop your tire on that fucking sharp ass parking brick. I got that thing to fucking blow some air out.
Yeah, you did. You also gave traction control something to do.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.